Okay guys, so today we're going to show you how to change the media ring. So on the JCW, obviously it should have come with the JCW logo in. Now obviously when they were producing these, Mini actually run out of them, so they put the plain black ones in there. So as well as changing that, we're going to change the style of the light ring basically, and this is the new style one. So you can get these in both types, so the larger and smaller screen. There's two pins underneath there that we're going to start with, where my fingers are now. So what you do is you push in the middle, it says, so it clicks in, like that. And then once you've pushed it in, I'll show you. So you can see there, you push in the middle, and then the whole thing comes out. And then to reset it, just push it back like that, and when you go back in, and just click it into that position, which locks it like that. So we'll get the other one out. That's that done. And then it's easy, he says. So on that one, you just want to lift it. So you pull it out the bottom and then sort of lift it up over. It gets the side ones off. If this one's tight, then obviously get the trim tool in. It's just basically lifted on top. It is against that plastic there. So be a bit brutal with this. So that bit's off. There we go. So you can see it just clips on basically with these little tabs there. First time it is very tight, so you just got to be a bit more brutal with it basically, but it is just a clip on bit. So once you've got that on, it's just a matter of, so you're going to line the lights up. You can see where they sort of start and finish there, and it sort of slots in. And then it's just a case of pushing it back on, he says. So again, nice and tight, and there you go. So once you've got that on, it's just a case of plugging those back in. Like I say, start on the bottom there, hold it like that, and then you can press them in and lock it like that. You can get these on our website, www.kilochrome.com. New screen surround, obviously both sizes available. Thanks for liking, subscribing, sharing, etc. Until next time.